Welcome. Film is a Samsung Galaxy F12, and today I'll show you how to wipe cache partition on this phone. So let's start off by holding the power key and selecting power off. Well, once the device turns off, you want to hold power key and volume up together. So let's do it right now. And give it a second, you should see Galaxy, there we go, in addition. So let go of the power key, keep holding volume up, and this will boot you to the recovery mode. So from here, using volume keys, you want to scroll down and select Wipe Cache Partition, then press power key to confirm it, select yes, and there we go, cache wipe complete. Reboot system now will be selected by default, so press power key once more and this will take you back to Android. And there we go, as you can see, we're now back in Android. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.